Let's begin with a number that might surprise you. Almost 7 out of 10 seniors over 60 struggle with tingling hands or weak legs. Most don't know why. The foods you believed were helping, they could be hurting you. We've been told aging brings decline, but that's not entirely true. It's not your age, it's your collagen. And the good news? You don't need pricey meds or surgeries, just the right foods. Today, I'll walk you through 5 fruits that naturally boost collagen, support your joints, and strengthen your limbs. 1. Kiwi. This fuzzy green fruit is a collagen-building miracle. Most seniors lack vitamin C, and without it, collagen can't form. 1 kiwi covers over 70% of your daily vitamin C needs and also supports nerve health and digestion. No blender needed. Just slice and scoop. Start with half a kiwi each morning and build up if tolerated. But go slow. Too much might irritate your stomach, especially if fasting or on blood thinners. 2. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, they protect nerves, sharpen memory, and boost collagen production. Whether fresh or frozen, add a handful to cereal or smoothies. Diabetic-friendly and low glycemic, but be cautious if on blood thinners. Talk to your doctor. 3. Oranges. Simple, classic, and effective. Oranges help with collagen production, circulation, and muscle function. Half an orange a day is a great way to start. Eat them whole, not just the juice, for fiber and steady blood sugar. If on meds like statins, check for citrus interactions. 4. Cherries. Especially tart cherries reduce stiffness and inflammation. Anthocyanins lower uric acid and help joints recover overnight. Half a cup in the evening or 4 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice can work wonders. Watch your sugar intake if diabetic and avoid overdoing it. 5. Grapes. Especially red or purple, grapes improve blood flow and protect collagen. Resveratrol and vitamin K strengthen blood vessels and reduce joint pain. A handful daily helps circulation and balance. Eat the skin for full benefit, and if on blood thinners, consult your doctor. If this video taught you something new, give it a like and subscribe for more.